All right, so after you've written that down for A, we're going to talk about B. Write an equation that will relate the miles driven to the number of gallons of gas. So if you remember from last week how to write an equation, and we actually did it on the first page, you should know that y equals our constant, which is 28, times x. Y equals our constant times x, okay? I'm going to challenge you guys, and we're going to write another equation. And here's what I'm going to do. We know that our gallons is our x, but I'm going to call our gallons G because, well, gallons can represent with G. Our miles driven, I'm going to call M, and that's usually our y. So what would our new equation be? Pause and see if you could figure out the equation. So if you tried it out, it should be that y, or this time M, your miles driven, is going to equal 28 times our number of gallons. Good job if you did it like that. So those are two of the equations we can use. And I'm only using these variables because they actually relate to the problem. We could use that. Okay. So our next question, knowing that there's a ½ gallon left in the gas tank when the light comes on, will she make it to the nearest gas station? Explain why or why not. I want you to think about that on your own, and then once you've kind of given it some thought, then you can click on the next video.